Broadmaster, Warmack Entertainment, TGM Radio. We call this the Upnliveshow. We have a very special guest live here in studio with us this evening. This is the one and only Mr. VC. Good evening to you, sir.
Hi. Greetings and salutations to all listeners, all people in the UK, worldwide, one tribe, because I know you're tuning into the number one thing, and it is a joy to be here, my virgin.
This is right. Upnlive. Thank you very much for coming through.
Yeah, man. Bless.
You know, I've been hearing that song for so much years, and I've never seen the face actually.
Yeah, I don't know. I think I'm very comfortable with just being like the little brown ras behind the scene. Yeah, make the music do the talking. You know what I mean? But with this new album coming out, you know, definitely have to be seen more and hopefully heard more. You know what I mean?
Yeah, you're definitely making some more noise now, because normally you're always making noise.
Yeah.
You're showing more appearance now.
Yeah, absolutely. And I want to tell you, a lot of the time was spent in just getting the music down, getting it recorded. I kind of like to take the approach that every song that I do, I try to do it in such a way where it'll last for a while. You know what I mean? We're not really into the disposable thing, and sometimes that does takes a while when I rush the thing, nothing before it's time. But as I say, it's time right about now, you know what I mean?
Which is something right. I said I wanted to ask you before even the interview. I said to myself, I saw the video of you when you did the song, sitting in your church.
Yeah.
But then you were looking like me.
No, man, you have way more hair than what I did have, man. Yeah, man. And it's a strange thing, because even when that tune came out, I tell you, man, the head did shine, you know what I mean? Yeah. I look like a Buddha and all these things. And everybody come up to me and, yo, my lad, you need to grow your hair, you know, you need to grow your locks, you know.
Because the message was definitely along
that. Yeah. But may I tell you the truth, as some raised, you know, I'm contrary. You see, from people tell me to do something, I say, no, I'm not do it.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm stubborn. And it wasn't until reaching a situation where growing my locks was like you'd say is a no. I say, I'm gonna grow my hair now.
Okay.
I'm gonna grow my hair now. You understand what I'm saying?
So it's a rebellious thing then.
Yeah, straight up. I don't like take the instruction, or I never did want to feel like say, oh, you know, I'm gonna take advantage of a situation and then create an image and just for take advantage. I had my journey for got you, I had my meditations for got you, and when I felt it was right, I say, time to start grow the thing, you know what I mean?
It's definitely true, because I can see where you were coming from in terms of so I'll say looking for me, and the message was in the music from then, so making this transition was quite easy for you. I hope it was quite easy for you. Yeah,
it was, you know. I'm trying to make things bother me too tough. So once my mind was made up and I say that is the way to go, the hardest part of it was just having the patience to make it go and grow, you know what I mean? But you just allow it and make it do its thing, you know what I mean? And this is where I am right now, fully embracing the thing and just moving forward, you know?
Which is right. I know you're Jamaican, definitely. So can you just tell me whereabouts in Jamaica you're from?
Well, I'm going to tell you the long version of the story now, because actually I was born in a place called Dudley.
I know Dudley.
You know Dudley?
I'm a countryman.
Yes, that is West Bromwich side. That is up in the Midlands. So I was born in the UK of Jamaican parents, and it was when I was about 10. My father, who I big up every opportunity I get, who had come here from Waitabit, Trelawney. First time him ever come town was him did win an art competition, and police drive him come town and say, sit down, yeah. Yeah, you know what I mean? And the family did say, well, him look like the one with the most promise, and he came here and did everything from drive bus, sell encyclopedia, everything whilst going to school and becoming an architect. And it was when him say it was always his plan to go back home and Ministry of Education did call him up and him say, yep, we packing up, this is it. And we went back to Jamaica and he worked his entire life with Ministry of Education building schools. And as I said, that was me at 10 years old, dropping into Jamaica saying, wow. you know what I mean? And
it must have been a culture shock as well.
Man, like I tell you, man, you went to school out here, so you know how school is here. You get up, you walk about, you chat anything you want chat. And can you imagine I go school in Jamaica and get bored and just get up and go look out the window. I just notice that the class get quiet. When me turn round, me say, all the teacher look like say she out for have heart attack, man. What you doing? Me say, what you mean? Well, I didn't say what you mean. I said, what you mean, mate? I was looking through the window, And when my sister draw for one piece of stick, I say, what really?
What's happening
What's happening here? She say, hold out here. And I say, wait, she give me something there. So, the first lick, man. I say, no, man. Where is Dudley? Where is Dudley? We need back Dudley at this time. But yeah, man, it was the best thing for happened to me. I'm gonna give thanks for it every day,
That's right. The journey makes it a man.
Yes, I.
Nothing beats growing up in Jamaica. So
that's right.
Nothing.
No disrespect to any other Caribbean island.
Yeah, you know it go.
In that terms.
Yeah.
You know it go, and especially back in those days, because I won't tell you how old I am, but let's just say that was before video games. That was even before VCR. Right? So I want to tell you that the only thing we had to do was run up and down, play ball,
play marble, and something.
Marble, shoot slingshot after one another, So it just built a whole sense of community that I think is missing today. But at that time, I tell you, you couldn't beat it, man.
It was lovely.
Yeah,
that's honestly true. But let's get straight to it now, VC.
Yeah.
Let's talk about the Jassen.
Jassen, yes.
I'm very intrigued.
Yeah,
I'm very intrigued, and I know a lot of listeners right now would love to hear what's coming.
Well, I want to tell you, this album is actually the result of having over 20 odd tunes and finally being able to sit down with somebody who is passionate and about music, about reggae music, and who heard my music and said, there is something here. And we sat down, and it was a painful process to really get it down to a stage where we figure, okay, we have an album now with 11 tracks, and not one of the tracks is what I call a filler track.
Yeah.
Every track, in my mind, could stand alone as a single.
And nothing beats that.
Yeah, and because I remember growing up when it used to be a joy. You get an album, you drop the needle at the first track, and you sit down in your sofa and you listen through the whole of the side of the album. The only time you get up is to flip over the album. Side, you play the entire next side. To me, that is a joy of an album. So that is what I wanted to create and put out there, and I think we have done that,
And so you believe you captured that aspect of bringing back the wholesome feeling of indulging into a complete album, listening from start to finish, as you said.
I think so, and I have always thought that music is one of the most powerful forces that exists in the world. Music change mood, music create revolution, music change countries, and I feel like sometimes nowadays that the sense of the power that the music has is lost. People just do tune and put out tune and whatever happen. I mean, I say no, whatever happens to my album, I want it to be something where if anybody chooses to sit down and listen to it, by the time when them done listen, something even in them meditation supposed to change. You know what I mean?
Definitely.
There's a common thread through the album. There's a common thread through my music, I believe, and that is just for try to elevate people's consciousness. Get people to be realizing, say, don't buy into all the hype, don't buy into all of the fake news.
Yeah.
Look within yourself, empower yourself, and really the key thing is show more love to each other, you know. Sometimes to show love, you have to rough up somebody. You know what I mean?
It's a tough love.
Yeah, tough love, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes you have to tell them what them don't necessarily want to hear.
Definitely.
You know, but it's all from a place of love, man, for real.
So my question is, what's your favorite song on the album?
Wow, that's like asking parents what's their favorite child. You know what I mean? Wow, what is my favorite? That's a hard one. There's a tune where I think the only reason why I would call it my favorite is because it is so different, and the way it came about is such a unique thing. A track called On and On, which is actually a duet that I did with a young Irish lass. Where she had actually had this song and sent it to my engineer brethren to say, do a little remix, and I hear it and say, whoa, hold on. And we just rework the whole thing, but her part is like the chorus now. And it's just, to me, such a haunting and beautiful song, you know.
Yeah.
But It's Time is another one of my favorites because of the message. Rise, another one of my favorites as well. So if you give me enough time, I'm going to end up naming out the 11 tune them and say it is my favorite, you know?
Definitely.
Yeah.
So we're here in the UK. You say you were born here in the UK.
Yeah.
Are you residing here full time now?
Not really. I have been here now for about 2 years, but that's been for a very specific mission because my son performs as well. He's a dancer.
Okay.
So he actually got into Brit school here.
That's good.
And the only way it was going to work out
And this year permanent.
was if I came with him.
Oh, okay.
So
It's understandable.
pack up, boy, it wasn't understandable to me, you know, Bridget. It hurt me wicked. I was like, you're lying now, Bridget. You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah, I know. I get you still, you know. But it was like, pack up a little bag and pan and we say, I could come out here and do it. As a matter of fact, that's why I have to apologize to everybody. That's why I'm a little late today because he just had his last show at Indigo O2. And, you know, it was epic.
I will be stalling for the last 20 minutes.
We
give thanks. Yeah.
Let's talk about the 20th of June now.
Yes.
That's the date for the launch of the album.
Yes.
So I know you probably don't want to give away too much, but what can we expect?
Well, what you can expect is a epically produced showcase for this album. As I say, you'll get a chance to hear all 11 tracks live. You're going to get the chance to hear it with one of UK's best backing bands, Royal Sounds. You understand? Royal Sounds by themselves is worth the price of admission. And as you said, people haven't been seeing me or hearing me a lot, so there's a lot of pent up energy. There's a lot of motivation to come and give it 150%. So I would urge everybody is at the Great Hootenanny's location.
Definitely.
Everybody is familiar with that, so you know there's no issues with the venue. Come on out June 20th and really get a full taste of the Jacent album. I will go out on a limb and guarantee that you will not be disappointed from your love good music, from your love reggae music.
Make sure you come for that.
Yeah, man, you're going to have a whale of a time, you know?
Definitely. We're very short on time right now, so if you could just tell us where we can find you. Are you on social media or?
Yeah. Although me old, me no cold, me still have to learn up the social media thing, you know? So, we're on the Facebook, VC, aka Valton Craigie. That's my full government name, if anybody wants to know. That's a great place to go and get little previews of some of the songs that are on the album, live videos, all information of what's going on. We're on the gram, have the VC YouTube page. The only thing I haven't been able to figure out yet too tough is the Twitter, so I'm not fully there yet. But Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, we're all there. Just look for VC, you'll find me, and especially the YouTube page with a lot of live performance videos. You're going to dig that, you know?
Definitely.
Okay. Anything last word before we go fire?
Well, you know, this one good. Not because Dragon are there, we still want one song, you know, man.
We still want one song. So what we call this section? A little freestyle. You can do whatever you want to do. We just drop a beat. We're very short on time, so we're just going to go straight to the exit of the show. So thank you very much for joining us, the Upnlive show this week. Please keep it locked. This is BC right here, live
thanks.
on board. Let's go.
Hey, hey, for my hard-working people. Hey, if you're working day to day, living from pay to pay, find it hard to see a way to a better life. Only one with strife, yeah. Living close to poverty, trying hard to achieve better for your family, but you're feeling just a little weak. Well, wanna hold your strength now, Natty. You're bound to face some time when the road is rocky. Wanna hold a meditation, seek your power and your guidance from the Almighty One, yeah. One, watch your words and your deeds, your body and your soul and your mind well clean. One, be yourself, don't give in. Yeah. Yeah.
Love the vibes, alright? You want to continue? Keep it going. We got one more minute left.
Alright.
It's the voice of VC. Let's go.
Yeah. All my people say rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. Hey. This a for the youths in the struggle, grinding 9 to 5 or in the streets just a hustle. We use brains and not just muscle. Listen to mama so them stay out of trouble. Just remember say you're born a star, love in your heart so you must reach far. Is how you start, so tell the hater them go choke off and go on rise. Say rise, nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. Hey, so I rise, we rise. Nothing's gonna hold back I from rise. Yeah.
Make sure you keep it rising right here on the Upnlive show, live here with VC people. Remember, if you're not following us right now, make sure you need to be jumping on the social media. Follow us at Upnlive show. Remember, the show is sponsored by Shush Prince, Vast Prince UK, and also produced by World Mag Entertainment. Fire Q, any last words before we go?
You know, there's someone going to honor to do this interview with my boss. You know what I mean? So, big up to all our listeners. You know, look out for it next week, same place, same time.
Same place, same time. All right. Any last words before? Can you just leave me with that little last outro of the infamous track for me?
Hey, Upnlive, them are my radio station. Sitting in your church on Sunday, I listen Upnlive every day. Who you try for thief, who you try for rob, take it as me tell you, say you can't fool God now.
There you had it right there, people. Keep it locked this way. Remember, you can follow us on the YouTube channel. Like, subscribe, and share, right? Remember to follow the album. Is going to be out shortly. The album is going to be available on all digital platforms, right? Spotify, iTunes, and all of them, right? So keep it locked this way. This is TGM Radio. We call this the Upnlive show. On behalf of myself, DJ Rick, Fire Q, Dragon Rasta, Little Brown Rasta, you know, we're here each and every Tuesday. Keep it locked. Don't move. I must.
Tell you about black man supremacy.